Let's do it. 3, 2, out and out, turn left. Come on, guys. Ready? Feet up, back, go. Push. Ready? Alternate speed, knee left, right, go. Lift it, use your core. Ready? Slow mountain climb and go. Here's 4, 3, 2, open feet, jab out, go. You got it. Ready? No switch, kick left, right, 4 and 3. Speed and agility. Come on, lift. Ha. Ready? Up and over, let's go. Lift up. You got it. Cross jack, let's go. Cross jack, come on, push. Come on, you're there. Push. Feet wide up, back 4 and 3 and 2 and hop, hop, squat, go down. Ha. Ready? Up 2, back 2, let's hit it. Down. You got it. Ready? Left knee up 8 times 8. 7, 6, 5, 4. Other side, use your core. 4, 3. Jack uppercut, go, come on, lift. Ah! Zigzag hop, left, right. Knee. One more time. Hit. And plunge twice. Hit. One more time. Speed, jog it out. You did good, come on. Keep the jog. Push. 3, 2, 1. Time. T, 2, 5. My name is Sean T. Peace out. Good job.